Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Rocky Self. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have a 2008 Toyota Highlander Limited. It has only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, roof rails, privacy glass, and much more. With more room, more power, and more conveniences than its predecessor, the 2008 Toyota Highlander is truly optimized for family use. This Highlander has 19-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread lift. There's also a full-size spare tire and a direct tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Highlander is in great condition. It has automatic multi-reflector halogen headlamps with chrome bezels, along with daytime running lights, fog lights, a UV reduction windshield, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Highlander has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on average. And let's not forget that this Highlander has only 112,501 miles on it. At the back of the Highlander, you can see the spoiler, the rear wiper, and the lift-up glass hatch, along with the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable floor mat, a power outlet, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Highlander even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls and can use the fold-down armrest and the cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice satin mahogany wood grain style interior trim. Driver and passengers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Highlander is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the shift-activated automatic power door locks, and the power windows with jam protection and driver express up and down. This Highlander has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, climate, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 JBL speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a 6-disc in-dash CD changer, MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth compatible that you can easily connect to devices using the auxiliary port. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.